Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here, we are going to present about our assignment PBL. Firstly, we are going to introduce our group members. First, my name is Sukma Arifin bin Anwar. My number matric 88220470.
Assalamualaikum dan hello, my name is Azrul Azhar.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Adam bin Abdullah and my matrix number is AA221432.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Nama saya Muhammad Amirul Haikal bin Johar, nombor matrik AA221065.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Takif Aiman and my matrix number is AA22073.
Alright, now we are at the introduction. An arithmetic progression, or we call it as AP, is a sequence where the differences between every two consecutive terms are the same. What is the possibility to derive a formula for the nth term of the AP? For an example, the sequence 2, 6, 10, and 4 is an arithmetic progression because it follows a pattern where each number is obtained by adding 4 to the previous term. In this sequence, nth term is equal to 4n minus 2. The term of the sequence can be obtained by substituting n equal to 1, 2, 3, and so on. So, here we will look to the example. When n is equal to 1, 4 will multiply by 1 and minus 2, it will equal to 2. And the second term, 4 multiplied by 2 and minus 2 will be equal to 6. And the third term, 4 multiplied by 3 minus 2, it will be equal to 10. In this presentation, we will explore the concept of arithmetic progression, the formula to find its nth term, common difference, and the sum of nth term of an AP. We will solve various examples based on arithmetic progression formula for a better understanding of the concept. Alright, now I would like to give this presentation to Adam.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Adam bin Abdullah and my matrix number is AA221432. So for my parts, I will explain to you guys about the FILA table. FILA is a acronym for facts, ideas, learning issue and action plans. What is the function of FILA table? By the way, if we want to create one question or another question, it's based on FILA table. So for our group assignment, I will explain to you guys about the MCO and it's related to the gadgets. As we know, during the MCO, the use of gadgets such as a smartphone and laptop increased drastically. So, what is the frequency of gadget used at the point? So, for the first F is a fact. So, we will know the use of gadgets increased during the MCO. And the second, civil servants and students use mediums such as Zoom and Google Meets. And for the ideas, why people use gadgets to communicate, or what is the function of gadgets during the MCO? For the first is daily movement because limited, and then to people completing their tasks and then break the change. So what is the learning issue of this MCO? Based on the FILA table, is why is the use of gadgets increasing? And the second is what is the purpose of the gadget? In addition, can this interpreter break the change of COVID-19? Next, what medium is often used? And the lastly, who is the group that use gadgets the most? So for the last is action plan. So what can we do for for solve this question. So for the first is we build a questionnaire and then identify the best way to create a questionnaire from internet sources. That's all from me. Thank you.
Human daily activities whenever studying, working and so on face-to-face are very normal in their life. However, this activity become a little different when the COVID-19 pandemic occurred. This is because the government has announced a movement control order across the country. This means that we cannot leave our house without important business. Therefore, the daily activities must be done online, either like Zoom, Google Meet and so on. This caused the demand for gadgets to increase drastically throughout the country. This is not only the elderly but a large number of young people buy gadgets during the movement control order. It was found that the use of gadgets is not only used for studying and working. In fact, they used to fill their free time by playing video games and reduce their stress. Okay, thank you.
So for question A, complete the table for April. So as you can see, the answer is for under 18 is 25. The equation is A plus in bracket n minus 1. And for the D is n plus 1. So when you fill in the blank, when you solve all the equation, you will get 25 for under 18, 43 for above 18, and the total buyer for month April is 68 units of food. For B question, due to MCO, smartphone sales have increased by 25% consistently every month. If the sale of smartphone in January is 50 units, how many phones are sold in December? So for January, we from the data given, January 50% increase every month by 25%. 25 divided by 100 times 50 equals to 12.5, which is 12. So there are an increase of 12 units for our phone for every month. Then we're gonna find out how many phones that are sold in December. 12 month December, as the formula given, Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 multiplied by D. So 50 plus in bracket 12 minus 1 multiplied by 12. So we will get 182 phones. Okay, the question for C. The question, Amin is a streamer. He often uses the mobile phone continuously for 7 hours a day. Means smartphone's usage increase by 30 minutes every 5 days. State the total number of hours of telephone used on the 30th day. Okay, first thing first, list out all the data given from the question. We got 7 hours a day for usage, phone usage, 30 minutes every 5 days. 30th day, what is the total of hours for 30 days? Use the formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 in bracket times D. Okay, from the data we got A equal to 7, D equal to 0.5, n equal to 30 divided by 5, and we should get 6. For the sixth term, equal to 7 plus in bracket 9 minus 1 multiplied by 0.5. we will get 9.5 hours, or equal 9 hours 30 minutes. So the sum of 6 terms is equal to 6/2 in bracket 2 multiplied by 7 plus 6 minus 1 in bracket multiply by 0.5. So we should get 49 hours 30 minutes.
I would like to talk about discussion. First, we were able to solve the problems given, in addition to being able to form a group that has enthusiasm in completing the task successfully. In addition, we can form a question that follows the question standard that has been set by superiors. The fila table is the main component in forming a problem that is closely related in everyday life. Conclusion, we have learned that arithmetic sequence are strings of numbers where each number is the previous number plus a constant. The common difference is the difference between the numbers. If we add up a few of or all of the numbers in our sequence, then we have what is called an arithmetic series. That's all.